Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'll be doing a voiceover again. I'm back at it again. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and please do not skip the ad. Please, thank you. Mwah. So today we'll be cooking a fond and jollof rice. So how is your day going? Because while my mom is cooking this, I'm just gonna be talking to y'all because my mom loves to cook and we all know that by now. Am I right? Please comment down below what's your favorite Nigerian dish and food. My favorite Nigerian dish is probably fried rice and jollof rice, and my favorite snack is probably pop-off. Okay, now we're actually getting started for real. Look at her closing. Look at her chopping her onion. Chop, chop. Look how she's chopping it. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. 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 Okay, guys. Okay, now this is our smoked turkey on this stove that we're frying. Oh yeah. Okay, guys. So this is just our smoked turkey is looking delicious by now. Okay, now we're pouring the tomato sauce or blended pepper inside a pot. I think this is the one for the enfant or I forgot what it's called. Okay, so now we're just gonna pardon me. Pardon me. Okay, now my mom washing her hand again because she loves washing her hand. Don't mind it, guys. And make sure please, I'm saying it again, please make sure, please make sure you subscribe and like and comment down below. Mwah. Okay, this is Maggi. Put it like 1 spoon, I think. Yeah, so it doesn't be too salty or not too salty. You know what I'm saying? Now she's doing taste test to see if it's salty or not salty. Tap, tap, tap. She's always patting the side. Pat, pat, pat. Okay, now we put our oil just in the bag. Now we're gonna. And this is our big pot, and this is when we're gonna start getting ready for the jollof rice. Now this, I forgot what it's called, but you just put this inside the F4 or F4 Egusi. I low-key forgot. Don't blame me. This is our spinach. Or spinach. First, we gotta wash it, cause you never know what's in vegetable. It could be dirty, not good. You never know. Okay. Guys, this is how our Egusi. Oh, sorry, guys. I've been saying F1 since. This is our Melantin and Nigerian food. Egusi. Not Egusi. Not Egusi. It's Egusi. See? Egusi. She's just adding all of them in. All of it, and make sure you scoop the side as well. Can't forget the sides, am I right? Okay. This is the melon seed that we're adding inside. Wow. You are out of my league. Okay, this is a shaki. It looks so good right now. I like the way it's ASMR. When you chew it, it makes a clunk sound. She just added like 4, and this is our meat. We're gonna be putting it inside so it can be delicious. We're just gonna do a little bit stir, and stir, so everything can mix well together. together, so it can be delicious and good together. You see, it's already forming and looking good. And this is our jollof rice now. We're just to put in pepper so it can go well. This is the egusi. Now she's gonna add the spinach and mix it together. I think it's spinach. I forgot what it's called though. But it makes the egusi. I keep saying enfant, but it's egusi, not enfant. I keep forgetting that. So just look at it. It looks delicious. Oh, this is our turkey meat, not a jollof rice. This is our turkey stew. Sorry guys, I forgot it was turkey stew, not jollof rice. Oh, I thought she cooked jollof rice. Well, hold on, wait. Oh yeah, this is jollof rice here. Oh, it looks so delicious. I want some right now. Give me some Nigerian jollof rice. Jollof. Comment down if you want jollof rice. Jollof rice is so good, like y'all cannot. Like that's actually, if they people asking if I would choose jollof rice over like jollof rice over any American food, I'll probably pick jollof rice because jollof rice just tastes good. I like the way sometimes it's spicy, sometimes it's not. I just like the way it tastes. And yes, okay, look at it in the pan. It's looking yummy. I want some, but I think I was at school. Yeah, I was at school when she was making that. Look at the meat pie here. Ooh, crispy meat pie. I'm gonna make it, wait for it to be a little bit brown till we take it out. Hey. Okay, look at this stew. This is the smoked turkey stew. Pull up. Lay back. Right. Oh, look how it looks so delicious. Looks so delicious. I want some now. I want some now. Look how good it looks. Like I cannot. Someone need to get me some food. But I guess I have to pay. I don't want to pay though. Listen to me. Don't skip the ads. Please remember. Oh yeah, and guys, please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn your notification bell on. Cling, cling, cling. Look at the egusi. It looks so good, bro. I want some. But it's okay. She did save some for me. Look at how it looks. It looks so good. Look at the meat pie. The meat pie looks so good. I want some. Y'all don't understand how meat pie, jollof rice, meat pie and jollof rice is the best duo. Like the best duo is so good. Like y'all need to try some together for real. And if this is your first time in this channel, please watch to the end, and thank you for watching and staying with us, guys. Okay, guys, we're almost finished. Oh yeah, look at the food. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you have an amazing day or night or morning wherever you are. Bye.
Beautiful Sunday, and now we are going to church. We are at church already. Waiting for the time to get down because I think we came here comment rather, right?
No, guys, this is crossing the line. No, this is. Wait a minute. Wait. What? Come again, please. Before I punch you in the throat. What did you just say?
We came earlier. We come with you. I feel so useless. I feel diluted. My English teacher is coming to So right now in church, so waiting for service to begin. Yeah. So big. See you guys shortly. Guys, we are just stepping out from church. Yeah, it's a beautiful service and the sermon was fantastic. Trust me, the message was so fantastic. So guys, were you in church today? Yes. See you guys later. See my birthday. So I just say hello. Happy Sunday. So Tom, you don't want to where's Toby? So, do you guys want to play there? No, I mean outside. Tell me we'll be shouting. Okay guys, so I'll catch you guys later.